Welcome back. In the first video we saw Davenport's search assistant deduce timelines from notes and threads, but we were left with a problem. A character's timeline could become fragmented and disorganized. Davenport's solution starts with drawers. A note can be turned into a drawer by selecting it and pressing Tab. It's like taking a sticky note and slapping it on a physical drawer. This adds a graphical frame to the note and a tab up here on the top bar. We can click on that, or press Tab again to enter the drawer, and what we find is another unlimited canvas just like the main desktop. We can do all the same things in here, creating notes and tags and connecting them together, creating subdrawers. You can organize everything in the way that makes most sense to you. Any note anywhere can be a drawer. If I'm working on a scene or chapter and want to explore some ideas without cluttering up my workspace, I turn the scene into a drawer, dip inside, and I have a whole new distraction-free canvas to work on. As you can see, Lisa knows I'm working in this drawer and knows that the note stuck to that drawer has a timestamp. So even without me mentioning a time, she's able to bring me the most relevant and up-to-date reminders as I type. So how does this solve the problem from the first video, Bob's fragmented character timeline? Well, digital drawers have their advantages. Here's the problem again. Part of Bob's timeline and character information is over here, backstory or events that happen off camera. Other parts are here, directly connected to this sequence of scenes. Let's create a drawer for Bob's character arc. If I right-click this new tab, it changes colour to show it's ready to receive. I can select all these notes relating to Bob and press space. Now we have a few new things to look at. What's happened is that I've pushed a view of these notes into the drawer. Now I can organise them, put them in a row and connect them up, and we have a view of Bob's character arc that's all in one place. These icons here underneath the notes represent the other drawers where these notes also live. These are not copies of the originals, they are another view of the same note. So if I make a change here and return to the main desktop, you can see the change here too. I don't need these views of Bob's timeline anymore, so I'll delete them. What we're left with is my sequence of scenes with events that progress Bob's character arc linked to them. If I want to see the rest of the arc, I click the icon under the note and Lisa takes me back to the other drawer. The advantage of a digital workspace is that things can be in more than one place at a time. Next time I'll show you how Davenport handles note styles and formatting in a way that's genuinely useful. Thanks for watching.